Have you ever wondered why external links are crucial in SEO? Well, sit back and relax as we delve into the world of search engine optimization, particularly focusing on the importance of external links. External links, also known as outbound links, are those that point from your website to another. They are like bridges, connecting different websites across the vast digital landscape. But why are they so important, you might ask? First and foremost, external links act as a signal of trust and quality. When you link to authoritative and relevant sites, it sends a clear message to search engines that your content is credible. This credibility isn't just about making you look good. It's a key factor that search engines use to determine your site's ranking. So, by using external links wisely, you're essentially giving your site a better chance of being noticed by the likes of Google, Bing, and Yahoo. Furthermore, external links boost your site's visibility in search engines. Think of these links as the streets that guide search engines to your website. The more quality external links you have, the easier it is for search engines to find and index your site, thereby improving your visibility. But it doesn't stop there. External links also bring about increased web traffic. By linking out to relevant, high-quality sites, you're creating potential pathways for visitors to find your content. This not only increases your reach but also opens up opportunities for building relationships with other businesses and influencers in your industry. In essence, external links are more than just hyperlinks pointing to another site. They are a valuable SEO tool that can enhance your website's credibility, improve visibility, and drive more traffic. So, the next time you're crafting content for your website, remember to incorporate external links, not as an afterthought, but as a strategic part of your SEO plan. So you see, external links play a huge role in boosting your website's SEO. Tune in for our next scene where we'll be shedding more light on the art of creating external links. Now that you understand why external links are important, let's dive into how to create them. Creating external links is an art and science, blending the perfect mix of relevance, quality, and user value. Let's break down the process into simple, manageable steps. Firstly, you need to choose the right anchor text. The anchor text is the clickable text in a hyperlink, typically underlined and in a different color. The choice of anchor text can significantly influence your SEO performance. It should be relevant to the linked page and concise enough to give users a clear idea of what they'll find when they click. For instance, if you're linking to a page about vintage cars, "Learn more about vintage cars" could be an appropriate anchor text. The next step is to ensure that the linked website is reliable and relevant. Remember, every external link on your page is a vote of confidence in the linked content. Linking to unreliable sources can harm your own site's credibility, so do your research. Make sure the website you're linking to is trustworthy, authoritative, and its content is directly related to your anchor text. Lastly, an effective external link must add value to your content. It should provide additional useful information that complements or expands on your content. It should not merely repeat what you've already said. Instead, it should offer your readers a chance to delve deeper, to discover more. So, in summary, when creating an external link, choose a relevant and concise anchor text, link to reliable and relevant websites, and make sure the link enhances your content's value. It's not just about peppering your content with links. It's about strategically positioning them to enrich your users' experience and boost your SEO. And that's how you create an effective external link. Easy, isn't it? Creating external links is just part of the story. Using them wisely is where the real game begins. Let's dive into the world of external linking strategies and understand how to use them effectively. It all starts with a balanced link profile. A balanced link profile is like a well-rounded diet for your website. It's not just about quantity, but quality and diversity too. Just as a healthy diet includes a variety of foods, a healthy link profile should include a diverse range of high-quality links. This means linking to a variety of sources, not just the most popular ones. It's about finding the perfect balance between high-authority sites and those that are more niche and relevant to your content. The importance of link diversity cannot be overstated. It's not just about linking out to a multitude of websites, but also about varying the types of links. This includes a mix of follow and no-follow links, links from different domains, and links with varied anchor text. Diversity makes your link profile look more natural and less manipulative to search engines. Now let's talk about no-follow links. These are links that tell search engines not to follow them or pass any link juice. You might be wondering, why would I want to include links that don't pass any SEO value? Well, no-follow links play a crucial role in creating a natural-looking link profile. They show that you're not just linking for SEO benefits, but also to provide value to your readers. Moreover, no-follow links can also protect you from linking to low-quality or potentially harmful sites. If you're not sure about the credibility of a site, it's safer to use a no-follow link. This way, you're not vouching for the site's content and you're protecting your own site's reputation in the process. So, there you have it. A balanced link profile, link diversity, and the smart use of no-follow links are key to using external links wisely. It's not just about creating links, but about using them strategically to enhance your site's SEO and provide value to your readers. Remember, the way you use external links can make or break your SEO strategy. While external links can be powerful, they can also backfire if not used correctly. Let's talk about some common mistakes to avoid. We've all been there, right? You've got your site, your content, and now you're ready to start linking. But wait, before you start, it's crucial to avoid some common pitfalls that can hurt your SEO strategy more than help it. Firstly, linking to irrelevant or low-quality sites. It's like inviting guests to a party. You want to ensure they are good company. The same goes for your external links. They should lead to relevant, high-quality content that adds value to your user's experience. If you're a tech blog linking to a bakery website, it's likely to confuse both your audience and search engines. Next, we have the over-optimization of anchor text. It's tempting to stuff your anchor text with keywords in hopes of boosting your SEO. But search engines are smarter than that. Over-optimized anchor text can look spammy and unnatural. It's best to keep the anchor text relevant and natural. Remember, it's not just about search engines, it's about your users too. Then, there's the issue of creating too many outbound links. Just like too much of anything can be harmful, the same goes for external links. When you include too many outbound links, you risk diluting your page's authority. Plus, it can make your content look cluttered and less user-friendly. Aim for a balance. Each link should serve a purpose and add value. Another common mistake is neglecting the user experience. While you might be tempted to open external links in new tabs to keep users on your site longer, this can be frustrating for mobile users. It's best to let users decide how they want to navigate your site. Lastly, not checking your links regularly can lead to broken or outdated links. Regular audits can ensure your links are working and leading to the right places. So, steer clear of these pitfalls, and you'll be on your way to mastering external links. Let's quickly recap what we've learned about external links. We've journeyed together through the world of search engine optimization, or SEO, and discovered the pivotal role that external links play. They're not just blue underlined text on your website. They're powerful tools that can enhance your website's visibility and credibility in the eyes of search engines and users alike. We've delved into the art of creating these links. It's not a random process, but a thoughtful one. Each link needs to be relevant, valuable, and trustworthy, leading your audience to high-quality, informative content. Remember, it's not about the quantity, but the quality of your links that makes the difference. We've also discussed the importance of using external links wisely. These links are like spice in a dish. Too little and your content may seem bland. Too much and it can be overwhelming. Balance is key. Strategically placed, relevant links can enhance user experience, keep your audience engaged, and improve your website's SEO. We've highlighted common mistakes to avoid. Linking to low-quality or irrelevant sites can damage your SEO. So can overloading your content with too many links. Remember, each link should add value to your content and make sense in context. We've also touched on the importance of regularly checking your links. Broken links can impact user experience and your SEO negatively, so ensure your links are up to date and lead to active, relevant pages. And let's not forget the value of reciprocal linking, a mutual exchange where two websites link to each other. It's a win-win situation, building relationships and boosting SEO. However, caution is advised to avoid link schemes that attempt to manipulate a site's ranking in Google search results. And there you have it, the world of external links demystified. Use them wisely and watch your website climb the search engine ranks.